Before diving into development, conduct thorough market research. Identify your target audience by evaluating their preferences, behaviors, and characteristics. Analyze competitors like Uber to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Determine the features that contribute to their success and consider integrating similar elements into your app. Differentiate your app by offering unique solutions and innovative features. This foundational step ensures your app meets market demands and stands out in a crowded space. To build an app like Uber, focus on essential features. Ride booking allows users to order rides with a click. Real-time tracking lets customers monitor their ride status. Payment integration should support various methods like PayPal, credit cards, and cash. A robust driver framework enables drivers to manage their schedules and accept orders. Additional features like ride-sharing, fare splitting, and multi-language support enhance user experience and broaden your app's appeal. Choosing the right technology stack is crucial for a seamless user experience. Implement GPS tracking for accurate real-time location data. Use cloud storage to securely store user information and ensure scalability. Real-time analytics provide insights into market trends and user behavior. Integrate a secure payment gateway for smooth transactions. Push notifications keep users informed about ride status and updates. Reliable map APIs like Google Maps offer precise navigation and traffic updates. An intuitive and visually appealing interface is key to user retention. Ensure your app reflects your brand identity with professional graphics, fonts, and colors. Simplify navigation with clear labels and logical organization. Streamline the ride booking process by minimizing steps and incorporating features like credit card scanning. Use wireframing and prototyping tools to visualize the app's functionality. Conduct user testing to gather feedback and iterate on the design for optimal usability. A robust backend infrastructure is essential for handling multiple user requests. Design a network, servers, and database that support the app's functionality. Integrate third-party services like mapping and payment through APIs. Choose scalable and reliable hosting solutions like Google Cloud Platform or Amazon Web Services. Focus on backend development to ensure a consistent and seamless user experience, facilitating smooth transportation booking and payment processing. Invest in mobile app development to ensure a user-friendly experience. Build native or hybrid apps for iOS and Android to reach a wider audience. Use frameworks like React Native or Flutter to create cross-platform apps efficiently. Optimize app performance, responsiveness, and compatibility by testing on various devices and screens. Ensure fast loading times and smooth operation to meet user expectations. A well-developed mobile app enhances user satisfaction and engagement. Integrate secure and reliable payment channels for a seamless user experience. Research and select payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, or Braintree based on transaction fees, security, and integration options. Create a seamless transaction process with one-click payments and saved card options. Offer multiple payment methods, including credit cards, e-wallets, and cash. Ensure compliance with payment card industry, data security standard PCI DSS, and implement encryption for data protection. Establish a clear refund and dispute resolution process to handle issues efficiently. By following these detailed steps, you can build a ride-sharing app that not only meets market demands, but also provides a seamless and enjoyable user experience.